How to see all games you played on Roblox. Welcome to Glitz and let's get right into this video. For this, launch your preferred browser in your device, either if it's a mobile device or your PC, and search for roblox.com. You'll be redirected to the official website of Roblox. If you have not logged in or signed up into your account, make sure to sign up. Now, to check out all the games you played on Roblox, it is very simple. At the very top in your home, you will see your recently played games. In there, you will find all the games you played on Roblox recently or in the past days. On the basis of the games that you played, you will be also provided with a recommendation similar with the games that you played. By this way, you can easily check out for similar games to play with your friends as well. Isn't it simple? If for some reason you cannot check out this option, you need to head over to the help and support of Roblox. Follow the instructions provided by them. Which brings us to the end of the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.